Hi everyone. So let's start our SAT session of mathematics. We are going to start the chapter called as functions. I think you all know the definition of a function because now we are only doing the crash course of SAT, so we need not go into the definitions and basic things which are assumed that you know everything. So let's start with our functions chapter. So to start with, we have a function given here. Before this, I think let's talk about the basic rules that we need to use to find the domain of a function. See, for example, f of x is a function. Let us say f of x is a function. Now, point number one, it should not become complex. Okay? Complex is not accepted. Complex is not accepted means what? I should not come, means square root, fourth root, eighth root. When they are like that, then there is a possibility of we getting complex number which should not exist. Second, it should not become undefined. When it will not become, when it will become undefined, when denominator is equal to 0, then it is undefined. So which is not accepted. Which is not accepted. Means denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay. Third, it should not be a function where it's not valid or it's not defined. So such things can happen when there are special functions like trigonometric, logarithmic, or such kind of functions. So if these are the three rules which are satisfied, then satisfying these three rules, whatever values of x we get for that function are called as domain, the values of x. Okay. So with this knowledge, let us start the problem solving of functions. So look at this. If g of x equal to 2x minus 3 whole power 1 by 4 plus 1, in the function above, for what values of x, g of x is real number. So if you look at these options, x is greater than or equal to 0, x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2, x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2, and x is greater than or equal to 2. So if you simplify this, so fourth root, this is fourth root, I said square root, fourth root, sixth root, eighth root, if they are there, then every possibility is that it becomes undefined. So this should not become undefined. Means 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. If it is denominator, I would have taken equal to 0. So if you take this, x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. So you have option C satisfied. So answer is C. Okay. Please note it quick. Okay. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. So what is that next question? See, he has given x as minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and f of x is 1, 3, 1, minus 5. The table above shows the values of quadratic function f for several values of x. Which one of the following best represents f? So if you look at this, f of x is minus 2x square he gave. And see, if you observe here, when it is 0, x is 0, y is 3, means definitely constant exists. So plus 3 should be there. So you have option B and option C. So A and B are deleted. When f of 0 means x is 0, y is 3, means these two, either B or C. If you take, you put x is 0, you'll get y as 3. So now if you take x is minus 1, y is 1. So if you take here in option B, x is minus 1, you'll get y as 4. So therefore option C is correct answer. B is also deleted. We went for substitution and as well as parallelly elimination of option method. Okay. So please note it quick. So this is what is the thing you do. So option is C. So please note it fast. First page, take screenshot, then we'll go to the next page. So let's go to the next page. This is your next page. Please take the screenshot so that we can take the out. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Look at this. Let the function h be defined by h of x equal to root x plus 2. 3 times h of v is equal to 18. For which one of the following is the value of h of v by 4? So first of all, we should find out what is v. Then, if you take h of v, that is root v plus 2. h of v is root v plus 2. 3 times h of v means 3 times root v plus 2 equal to 18. So 3 into root v plus 3 twos are 6 equal to actually 18. So but we can cancel 3 with 18. I mean 18 with 3 by 6 times. So root v plus 2 equal to 6. So root v equal to 4. So v equal to 16. So v equal to 16. So let us do it here. So v equal to 16, squaring on both sides. We got v value. Now h of v by 4. We should find out this. So this is root of v is 16 by 4 plus 2. So this is root 4 is 2 plus 2, that is 4. So option C. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah, so now let us move to the next question. Yeah. See, a pottery store owner determines that the revenue for sales of a particular item can be modeled by the function r of x equal to 50 root x minus 40. So in this, the statement, what it is there, starting from a pottery store owner determines that the revenue for sales of a particular item can be modeled by the function. Till here, it's only a statement which gives us some idea, but not really connected to mathematical solution. So the main thing that we should remember is r of x equal to 50 root x minus 40, where x is the number of the items sold. How many of the items must be sold to generate $110 in revenue? So r of x is the revenue. So revenue is given as $110. $110. So 100, that means now we should find out x. 110 equal to 50 root x minus 40. So 150 equal to 50 root x. root x equal to 3. So just look at this here. So x equal to 9. So option D you have with you. Please move it fast, quick. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Okay. So look at this. At the time t equal to 0, a projectile was fired upwards from an initial height of 10 feet. So if you take this is the ground from a height of 10 feet, it is thrown vertically upwards. This is 10 feet. So from 10 feet height, it is thrown up. Okay. So now its height after t seconds is given by this h of t equal. That means it goes up and up and up, and then it will move down. So like this, it moves up, reaches maximum height, and it reaches the ground. Okay. So now h of t equal to p minus 10 into q minus t whole square. That is the function he gave, where p and q are positive constants. P and q are simply constants. Okay. If the projectile reached a maximum height of 10 feet, 100 feet, when t equal to 3, means h of t equal to 100, when t equal to 3. Okay, that means h of 3 equal to 100. So then what was the height in feet uh, of the projectile when t is equal to 4? So h of 4 equal to how much he says. Okay, so look at this. So these are the options he gave. So recall that the height when a quadratic function is written in the form of y equal to a into x minus h whole square. This is a parabolic equation, children, right? Y minus k equal to a into x minus h whole square. It is like this. Y minus k equal to a into x minus h whole square. So y equal to k. What is vertex? Vertex is y minus k. If you equate to 0, you'll get y equal to k. X minus h equal to 0, you'll get x equal to h. This is the vertex. H comma k is the vertex. So if you rewrite the equation given here, h of t equal to p minus 10 into q minus t whole square, h of t equal to a into t minus k h whole square plus k. If you look at this, you'll get it as h of t equal to p minus 10 into q minus t whole square. So this, if you change the sign or rewrite it, writing this q minus t first, we'll get it like that. So this q minus t or t minus q doesn't matter for us. So vertex will be q comma p, q comma p. So that is the vertex we have written here. Okay. So given that the maximum height is 100, so when it occurs when t equal to 3, means q equal to 3 and p equal to 100. So q equal to 3, p equal to 100. This is what we have written. So that means, what is that? Y should be taken, isn't it? Y should be taken as maximum height. So that means now you take, that is happening at t equal 4. So put t equal 4, you'll get it as minus 10 into 4 minus 3 whole square plus 100. So that is minus 10 into 1 square is 1. So minus 10 plus 100. So that is equal to 90. Minus 10 plus 100 is 90. So therefore maximum height is 90 units. So this same thing, instead of spreading into so many pages, I'll write in one page. Look at this. So this I'll remove the ink part. I'll remove the ink part. So now look at this. H of t minus p equal to minus 10 into t minus q whole square. Okay. So now this h of t equal to p if this becomes 0, and t will be equal to q, this becomes 0. So what is the peak q comma p? Vertex is q comma p, which he said like initial height is 10 feet, that's okay. So if the projectile has reached a maximum height of 100 feet when t equal to 3, so that means this is the peak. So t is 3, means q is 3, p is 100. So this is the vertex. So h of t equal to minus 10 into t is 3 minus q whole square plus p is 100. So now we want to find out h of 4. H of 4. So that is minus 3 into 3 minus 4 whole square plus 100. So this is 1 square is 1 minus 10, sorry, not 3. So this is minus 10. So minus 10 plus 100. So this is 90. Okay. So this is the thing. Yeah. Please note it fast, quick. Okay. So let us go to the next question. These many pages were not required, but we have given detailed explanation here so that you understand everything, which I already explained. So now look at this question. For all real numbers x, let the function f be defined as f of x equal to 5x minus 10. Which of the following is equal to f of 3 plus f of 5? So children, this is very, very straight question. F of 3 is 15 minus 10, so that is 5. Okay. F of 5 equal to 5 is 25 minus 10. So this is 15. So f of 3 plus f of 5 equal to 20. So this is, what is this equal to now? So we need to get 20 as the value. So that means this should become 30. So that means f of 6 you take is 5, 6, 30 minus 10. So that is 20. So answer is f of 6. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Look at this. Yeah. So here he has given three functions: P of x, Q of x, and R. P of x, Q of x, and R of x. So these are the three functions which are given. So when x is minus 2, P of x is minus 6, Q of x is minus 2, R of x is minus 9. Similarly, when x is minus 1, P of minus 1 is minus 1, Q of minus 1 is 5, R of minus 1 is minus 10. Same way, when x is 0, you have three functional values, x is 1 and x is 2. So now let us see what is that he's asking. The functions p, q, and r are defined for all values of x, means x belongs to r. They are defined. So there is no restriction on anything. That means there should be no square roots, no denominators, no special functions like that when x belongs to r. So the functions p, q, and r are defined for all values of x, and certain values of those functions are given in the table above. So if the function u is defined by u of x equal to 3 times p of x plus q of x minus r of x for all values of x, what is the value of u of minus 1? So simple, very, very simple. Question is so lengthy, but solution is very simple. So you see u of minus 1. u of minus 1 is u of minus 1 is 3p of minus 1 plus q of minus 1 minus r of minus 1. So 3 times p of minus 1. What is p of minus 1 is? If you look at this graph, p of minus 1 is minus 1 plus q of minus 1 is 5 minus r of minus 1 is minus 10. So this is minus 3 plus 5 plus 10. That is 15 minus 3, 12. So which option satisfies that? Option A. Please note it fast, quick. Now, children, let us see what is there in the next question. Yeah. Now you look at this question. P of x is 20x by 98 minus x. So clearly, if you look at the domain of this, denominator exists. So x cannot be equal to 98 because denominator becomes 0 for x equal to 98. So now look at this. The function p above models the monthly profit in thousands of dollars for a company that sells X% of their inventory for the month. X% of their inventory for the month. If $90,000 is earned, means P of X equal to 90,000. Okay. In profit during the month of April, what percentage of April's inventory to the nearest whole percent has been sold? So means you should find out X. You should find out X when P of X is 90,000. So it is like this. 90,000 equal to 20x by 98 minus x. Okay. So 0, 1, 0 gets cancelled, 2 cancels, 45, 0, 0. 4,500 equal to x by 98 minus x. So if you cross multiply and simplify, 4,501x equal to 4,500 into 98. Okay, so that is what you'll be getting. So according to this calculation what we made there, x is approximately 4,500 into 98 by 4,501. So this is nothing but approximately 26.67 percentage into 100 if you take. So that is 26.67. So 26.67 is, what is that he said, to the nearest whole percentage has been sold. So not 26.67, it is 88.9. Just let us check the value. 80.18. It is 80.18. So the nearest value is what? It is 80.18. So 80.18 is nearest to 80%. So answer is 80%. Please look at, note it fast. So here we have checked with the options, but I don't like to check with options. When direct method is there, let us proceed directly. So we'll get it as 80.18%. Actually, here we don't even need to calculate. I'll tell you simple technique. See, this 4500 by 4501 into 98 is nearest to 100. So what is nearest to 100 means nearest to 98, little lesser than 98. So very clearly it is 80%. No need to calculate and all these things. Don't waste time on all this. So answer is 80.80%. Directly you can get that. Okay. Okay. Let us move to the next question. F of x or f of k values are given when k is -1, f of x is -5, and f of 1 is 3, f of 2 is 7. The table above shows some values of linear function f. Which of the following defines f? Okay, so just look at this. Now, let us substitute the values of k in the given functions and check. If you take first option, k minus 4. If you substitute x is -1, -1 minus 4 is -5. Good. 1 minus 4 is -3. So this is not the option because f of 1 he gave it as +3, but we are getting it as -3. You take k minus 8. If you take k minus 8, f of -1 is -1 minus 8. That is -9. So not the answer. Delete it. Delete it. Let us go to this. F of -1 is -2 minus 4, which is -6. Deleted. So automatically left over 1 is only 1. So that should be the answer. But still, let us check and let us check and confirm it. Okay. F of -1 is -5. Accepted. F of 1 is 3. Got it. F of 2 is 8 minus 1, 7. So this is the correct option. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, so then let us move to the next question. Now look at this. For all positive integers x, the function f is defined by f of x equal to 1 by b power 5 whole power x. So what is f of x? 1 by b to the power of 5x. Okay, where b is a constant greater than 1. So b is greater than 1. This is condition he gave. Which of the following is equal to f of 3x? He gave this. So f of 3x is 1 by b power 5 whole power x whole to the power of 3xy. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by b power x, sorry, b power 5 whole power x into 3. 3x can be written as x into 3 or 3 into x, it's all same. So this is nothing but f of x whole to the power of 3. The option is B. Please note it fast. So we don't need to check with the numerical values, directly we can get. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. So if g of x equal to x plus c by x square and x is not equal to 0, why x is not equal to 0? If x is equal to 0, denominator of g of x becomes 0, therefore it is not defined. Therefore x cannot be equal to 0. And g of minus 1 equal to minus 4 he gave, means g of minus 1 is minus 1 plus c by minus 1 whole square equal to minus 4. So from here you can get c value, isn't it? So implies minus 1 plus c equal to minus 4. So this implies c equal to minus 3. So we got c equal to minus 3. So you have option C. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. Look at this. F of x equal to ax square plus x plus c, and f of 0 equal to 5 he gave, f of 2 equal to 15. So he's asking to find out the value of a minus c. So first of all, let us check what is the value of f of 0. F of 0 is 0 plus c. So 5 equal to c. So now f of 2, what is f of 2? So a into x square means a into 2 square is 4 plus x is 2 plus c is 5 equal to 15. So 4a equal to 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. A equal to 2. So now a minus c, that is 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. So look at this. You have option A. Quick. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Look at this. F of x plus a equal to x. Then f of x could be which of the following expressions? So we are replacing x plus a by x. x plus a by x. Okay. So if you call this as capital X, so now look at this. So that becomes x minus a. So f of x equal to x minus a. That means replace x by x plus a is like this. F of x plus a equal to x again. Okay. So now f of x means replace x plus a by x. So x equal to x minus a. So f of x equal to x minus a. So that is, you have option B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Look at this. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. Which of the following is an expression of f of x plus c minus f of x? So f of x plus c is f of x plus c is 2 into 2 into x plus c plus 3. That is 2x plus 3 plus 2c. This is f of x plus c. Okay. So now minus f of x means f of x plus c minus f of x is what? 2x plus 3 plus 2c minus f of x is 2x plus 3. So that is equal to 2c. So you have option C here. Please note it quick. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah. What is the domain of the function that contains points at minus 5, 2, minus 2, 1, 0, 2, and 4, minus 3? So whenever he gives a function in ordered pairs, they all are ordered pairs, isn't it? Minus 5, 2 is an ordered pair, minus 2, 1 is an ordered pair, 0, 2 is an ordered pair, 4, minus 3 is an ordered pair, like that. So in an ordered pair, first value what it is there is domain, that is denoting domain. And the second number in the ordered pair denotes the range. So if you look at this, domain will be minus 5, minus 2, 0, and 4. So which of these options give you that? Minus 5, minus 2, 0, and 4. So option D is there. Domain is all first values. Okay. Minus 5, minus 2, 0, and 4. So they are the domain. Range is nothing but 2, 1, and minus 3. So option A is range. Option A is range, and option B is domain. Okay. Please know it quick. So I'll write it here. Range, if he asks, this would have been set of minus 3, 1, 2. Domain is set of minus 5, minus 2, 0, and 4. Okay. This is the question. So let's move on to the next question. Look at this. Which of the following relation is the correct representation of the mapping shown above? So for minus 5, it is 8. And for 5 also it is 8. So for -2, it is 7. For 2, it is -1. So that is the relation or the function. So look at this. If you look at these options, you have -5 to 8. How many places you have in option B with -5 to 8? So the only option that we have is option B. So let us check other things whether they are mapping or not. -5, 8, -2, 7, 2, -1, 5, 8. Yes, all the things are satisfied. So answer is B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let's move to the next question. If point 7 comma B is in quadrant 1, so quadrant 1 means what? B is also positive. And point A comma -3 is in quadrant 3, so A is negative. So clearly A is less than 0, B is greater than 0. This is what we can identify with the first statement that 7 comma B is in quadrant 1 and A comma -3 is in quadrant 3. So this gives me an option like A is negative and B is positive. So look at this. A comma B. A comma B means A is negative and B is positive. Negative and positive, this lies in quadrant 2. If you take the, quadrant system, it is like this. So here it is positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. So this option of negative comma positive is in quadrant 2. So answer is quadrant 2B. So please very fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. So you have f of x equal to -2x plus 7. What is f of half x plus 3 equal to? So f of x equal to -2x plus 7. So f of x by 2 plus 3 is -2 times x by 2 plus 3 plus 7. So that is negative x minus -6 plus 7. So negative x plus 1. So this is f of x by 2 plus 3. So you have that in option A. So please move fast, quick. Okay. So let us go to the next question. So what is that next question? So look at that. G of x equal to kx cubed plus 3. For the function g defined above, k is a constant, g of -1 is 5. So g of 1 is. So g of -1 is k into -1 whole cube plus 3. So g of -1 is 5. 5 minus 3 equal to minus k. So k equal to -2. So g of 1. G of 1 is what? K is -2 into 1 cube plus 3. -2 plus 3. So that is 1. So g of 1 is 1. Option C satisfies. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. So let us look at the next question. So look at this. F of x plus 1 is minus half x, negative half x, plus 6. What is the value of f of minus 3? Very, very simple question. F of minus 3 is equal to what? So f of x plus 1, we'll take it like this. X plus 1 equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 4. So that means f of minus 3 is nothing but in place of x we'll write negative 4 plus 6. So this is 4 by 2 is 2 plus 6, that is 8. So we have option B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us move to the next question. F of x equal to x square minus b. In the function above, b is a constant and f of minus 2 is 7. What is the value of f of b? So f of minus 2 equal to 7. F of minus 2 means what? Minus 2 whole square minus b equal to 7. So b equal to 4 minus 7, that is 3. Minus 3, negative 3. Okay. So we know b value. So f of x is x square minus of minus plus 3. So we should find out f of b means f of minus 3, that is negative 3 whole square plus 3, that is 9 plus 3, that is 12. So which option satisfies for us? Option C. Okay, quick. So let's go to the next question. So look at this. When x is minus 4, y is minus 4. When x is 0, y is minus 1. And when x is 6, y is k. So now f of x is a linear function. Means its degrees are 1. What is the value of k? So f of x equal to, let us call it as ax plus b. So f of minus 4 equal to minus 4. So minus 4a plus b equal to minus 4. This we call it as equation 1. Next, f of 0 equal to minus 1. So b equal to minus 1. So now he is saying f of 6 equal to k. F of 6 means 6a plus b is minus 1 equal to k. So now, if you substitute value of b here, this is 2 we call. Put b in 1. So if you put b in 1, means value of b is how much? Minus 1. So you'll get it as a equal to minus 3 by minus 4. So a equal to 3 by 4. So that means 6 into 3 by 4 minus 1 equal to k. K equal to 6 is 18 minus 4, 14 by 4. Okay, So this is 3.5. The option is C. Please note it quick. Let us go to the next question. Yeah. So he gave a tabular form. The table above shows some values of the linear function f. Which of the following defines f? So let us just substitute the values and see. When x is minus 3, y is 9. So you just see x is minus 3 means minus 3 to the 6. So you are getting minus 9. F of minus 3, we are getting it as minus 9, but he says it is plus 9. So that cannot be the answer. So option A is deleted. This, if you take minus 3 and 6 plus 3, 9. So this could be answer. Let us check for x is minus 1 also. If x is minus 1, you'll get 2 plus 3, 5, satisfied. X is 1, minus 2 plus 3, 1, satisfied. So that function B is satisfying every value of x, whatever are given in the tabular form. So f of 5 means minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. So everything is satisfied. So answer is option B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay. Let us go to the next question. So f of x equal to minus 6x plus 1. What is the value of f of half x minus 1? So it's very simple. In place of x, you write half x minus 1. So this becomes minus 3x plus 6 plus 1 is plus 7. So minus 3x plus 7 is in option A. Okay. Okay. Let us go to the next question. A function f satisfies f of 3 equal to 7, f of 7 equal to 1. A function g satisfies g of 7 equal to 3 and g of 1 equal to 4. Find the value of f of g of 7. So f of g of 7. So what is g of 7 according to this 3? F of 3. F of 3 equal to what? 7. So option is A. Right, quick children. Please note it fast so that we can go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. F of x plus a shifts the graph by a units along y-axis. Along y-axis means this is y-axis. Okay. So f of x equal to x plus 2. Display both f of x and f of x minus 3 on the same graph. So look at this. F of x equal to x plus 2 means you put x is 0, y equal to 2. This is one coordinate. And y equal to 0, x is minus 2. So this is another point. So using that, the graph becomes the above one. F of x equal to x plus 2 is this. Okay. This is the graph. F of x equal to x plus 2. You see, this is 0, comma 2, and this is minus 2, comma 0. So now we need to sketch the graph of f of x minus 3. Means we have pushed the equation f of x minus 3 means we have pushed the equation by 3 units downward. Pushed f of x by 3 units downward. Okay, that means what? X plus 2 is the function, push it down by 3 units. So y will become x plus 2 minus 3 means it becomes minus 1. So that is what it has been pushed. So you should draw a line parallel to that f of x. So if you draw a line parallel to it, this will be the line. F of x minus 3 is this graph. F of x minus 3 is this graph. So that is what he asked us to show. Please note it fast, quick. Let us go to next question. You see here, f of x is a function displayed in the figure, means this dark color. This is f of x. That is f of x. Display f of x plus 3. You see when x is 0, y is 0. F of x plus 3 means what? This will push up by 3 units. Like that, at every place of x for this function, push it upwards by 3 units, like this. Push it upwards by 3 units. So you'll get this graph 2. Graph 2 is f of x plus 3. Okay. Now, f of x minus 5 means push this down by 5 units. You see, this is 0. When x is 0, y is 0, but f of x minus 5 means it should be pushed down by minus 5. Okay, this is x is 0, y is minus 5. So this will be graph 3. F of x minus 5. This is graph 3. So children, whenever x is replaced by x plus a, that means if a is positive, if you take, so you are pushing the graph to the left by a units. If it is f of x minus a, means and a is positive, you are shifting the graph to the right by a units. If it is f of x plus a outside, then f of x is pushed upwards by a units. Similarly, f of x minus a, f of x is pushed down by a units, like that. So this is what happens. So we have shown 3 graphs, and all 3 are shown like this. At every point, this is pushed up by 3 units, this is pushed down by 5 units. Please note it fast, quick. So let's go to the next question. F of x plus a, you see x plus a, if a is positive, the graph is pushed to the left by a units. So you see, what is that a? Can we get it? F of x plus a shifts the graph by minus a units along x-axis. F of x is x plus 2. So a equal to 2 he gave. A equal to 2 he gave. Okay. Find the, sorry, f of x is x plus 2, not a equal to 2. F of x minus 3 means x minus 3 is 0, implies x equal to 3 units. So a equal to minus 3 units. A equal to minus 3. So now look at this. This is f of x equal to x plus 2 is this graph. When you put x is 0, y is 2. This is y is 2. 0, comma 2. When y is 0, x is minus 2. This is minus 2 comma 0. So this is original equation. F of x equal to x plus 2, that is 1. So this is 1. Okay. Now f of x minus 3 means you should push the equation to the right by 3 units. By 3 units. Okay. So when it is minus 2, you push it to the right or shift it to the right by 3 units. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So this becomes 1 comma 0. So that is minus 2 plus 3 comma 0, like that. So at every point keep on shifting. This is 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. Push this function to the right by 3 units. So this becomes 5. If you drop a line like this and if you drop a perpendicular, this will be 5 comma 0, like that. So this is how the function goes on. So this it is original function. This is f of x minus 3. So f of x minus 3 is equation number 2. Okay. Please note it quick. Let us move to the next question. So now look at the graph. This is equation 1. Okay. F of x is equation 1. Now f of x minus 3 implies x equal to 3. Means push x value to the right by 3 units. By 3 units. So this curve is touching at 0 comma 0. You should push the value to the right by 3 units. X is shifted to the right by 3 units. So you see this is 3 units gap or not. So this we call it as 2. Equation 2 is nothing but f of x minus 3. Now next is x plus 5. Sorry, x plus 4. F of x plus 4 implies x equal to minus 4. So shift x to the left by 4 units. Means it is 0. Minus 4 is minus 4 comma 0. Look at this. So this becomes 3. So f of x plus 4 is equation number 3. Now you see, we are shifted this by 4 units to the left. 4 units to the left means negative. 3 units to the right means positive. You see minus 4, 0, plus 3, 0. So therefore, these are the curves. So we have all the 3 curves sketched on the same graph. Please note it quick. Okay. Let us move to the next question. F of x equal to a and x equal to b means f of b equal to a. Then f of cx equal to a only. Okay. And x equal to b by c, he says. Yeah, that's true. Because x is c by b by c, then you get it as f of this one, b only. So c is greater than 1. F of cx squeezes the graph by a factor of c around the y-axis without changing the y-intercept. For c greater than 0 less than 1, f of ax expands the graph by a factor of c around the y-axis without changing the y-intercept. So this is only description we are showing. You see, when you are taking 3x, in the original function, x should be replaced by x by 3 for f of 3x, like that. So this is original function. Okay, x by 3, sorry, not 3 by 8. So x by 3. So This keeps on moving up like this. See, f of x, f of 2x, f of 3x, f of 4x will be further high like that. So f of x by 2 implies x should be replaced by 2x. Okay, means in RHS, we'll be replacing x by 2x, means 2 times the functional value it becomes. So f of 2x equal to 2x plus 1 with slope 2 means y equal to mx plus c is the form. M is slope. Okay. So f of 3x is 3x plus 1. Slope 3. F of x by 2 is x by 2. Slope half. Like that. Slope changes, keeps on changing. So f of x by 3, slope is 1 by 3. If f of x equal to x plus 1, then these are all the things that will happen which are mentioned below. So for this, slope is 1. Okay. Now you see f of 2x means slope has become 2. So it should further move upward like this. Slope is increasing, the inclination will increase. F of 3x means it further increases like this. Okay, that is how the things go on. That's what we are getting here. So this is the function. When it is f of x plus a, we have seen. F of x minus a, we have seen. F of ax, we have seen. Everything is done. Product, division, everything. Okay. Let's go for this. F of x is a function displayed in the figure below. Display f of 2x, f of 3x, and f of x by 2. This is 1. F of 2x means the slope increases, means it is like this, it is like this. So f of 2x means it moves like this. It is f of x. F of x by 2 means it spreads like this, like that. Okay, that's what you see. F of 2x is this. F of 3x is this, 3. F of x by 2 is 4. So the spreads are going on. See, f of x is this, is 1. F of 2x is 2. F of 3x is 3. F of x by 2 is 4. You see, when x is multiplied by a constant, the slope is increasing. It's becoming like this. So it's becoming higher, means closer towards y-axis. When x by 2 means you have divided by 2, x by 2, therefore that goes away from y-axis, means it broadens like this. If it is like this, it broadens like this. Okay, that is what we have shown. So we have shown 4 different curves here, different things. So please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us move to the next question. F of x is displayed in the figure below. Draw the graph of f of 4x and f of x by 2. F of 4x means the slope increases, means they get closer towards y-axis. F of x by 2 means they move away from y-axis. That's all. You see, this is 1. 4x means move towards y-axis. X by 2 means moved away from y-axis. 3. Okay. Please note it fast. Right, children, let us go to the next question. A f of x multiplies f of x at all points by a. Okay, a times f of x. Note that y-intercept is also multiplied by a. Okay, so f of x equal to x plus 1, whose slope is, if you compare it with y equal to mx plus c, m is 1. That's what we have written, slope. And y-intercept is c. So c is 1. So that's what we have written. Y-intercept is C. That is 1. Okay. So you know M and C. F of x. F of x 2 times f of x, 3 times f of x by 2, f of x by 3 on the same graph. So suppose you take some f of x as f of 1 as 1. So f of 1 as 2. So f of 2 times f of 1 is what? 2 into 2, 4, like that. So the values will change accordingly. So you look at the graphs. This is f of x. 2 times means if x is 0, y is 1. So for the same 2f of x is 0, y will become 2 because we are taking 2 into f of x. This becomes 3 into f of x. So this is 0, comma 3. This is 0, comma 2, like that. This is 0, comma 1. This is 0, comma half. 0, comma half. This is 0, comma 1 by 3, like that. The values keep on changing based on the multiplication or division of the function. So for this function, if f of x, f of 1 is 2, so this will be 1. This will be 1/3, 2/3, sorry. This will be twice 2, and this will be 3, like that. So it keeps on changing. So you are getting these different functions on the graph. Please note them fast, quick. F of x is x plus 1. F of x into 2 is 2x plus 2. 3 times f of x, 3x plus 3. Half x, half f of x by 2 plus half. 1/3 of f of x. That is x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So please note it fast, quick. So f of x is a function displayed in the below figure. Displayed 2 times f of x, 3 times, same thing. No? So this is f of x. Every value of function is increased. See, if x is 0, y is a. So x is 0, y will be 2a for 2 times f of x. 0, comma 3a for 3 times f of x, like that. So a by 2 for f of x by 2, like that. So this is what you'll be getting it as. Let's go to this question now. F of x equal to minus x minus 3. So f of x minus 3. F of x minus 3 is minus x minus 6 minus 3 f of x. 3x plus 9. F of x minus 3. In place of x, you write x minus 3. So minus of x minus 3. So that is minus x. F of minus 3x. So 3x minus 3, like that. These are all the different values you'll be getting. So the functions of all the values, all these functions are described here. Okay. So f of 3x, slope is 3 plus 3. So this will be the value. Okay. So keep on changing. These sketches are shown here. Please take different values. For example, you want to sketch minus x minus 3, minus 6, suppose. So x is 0, y is minus 6, is 1 point. X is 1, y is minus 7. Like that. So that is what you need to check. F of x minus 3, sorry. So look at this. F of x minus 3 is this. You put x is 0, y is minus 6. You see 0 minus 6. When x is 1, y is minus 6. When x is 1, y is minus 6. Like this. Okay. This is what the things will go on. So these sketches are made according to these functions. Okay. Clear? Let us move to the next question. F of x equal to 3 for x is less than 1. These are called as piecewise functions. So look at this. x is 0. When x is less than 1 means this is 1. When x is less than 1, I should put f of x equal to 3. So when x is 1, this is 3. 0, comma 3. This is 1. So whenever it is x is less than 1, it is 3, like this. This is the value. When x equal to 1 is not included, so I'm putting only this. Circle means value of x equal to 1 is not included. When x is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 2, it is 2. So this is 3 and this is 2. Okay. So x equal to 1 means here it starts. Up to 2. It is 2 only. Like this. Okay. Filled means this 2. When x is 1, y is 2. When x is 2, y is 2. Like that. F of x equal to x when x is greater than 2. So greater than 2 means it moves up. When x is 3, y is 3. Like this. So this goes up like this. Okay. So this is the curve you'll be getting. Okay. So draw f of x minus 1, and minus 2 times f of x. So children, f of x is this. F of x minus 1 means you should come down by 1 unit. Everywhere you should come down by 1 unit. So first of all, if you come down by 1 unit, so the graph will be like this. So this is 0, 2. It moves up to 1 like this. Okay. And further down by 1 unit. 2. So if it is 3 like this, it moves up. So this is f of x minus 1. So next, third one. I think it's better I show it here. So this is what? Of course, this is 45 degrees. So here also it will be 45 degrees only. There is no change. So this is second B. Now third C you take. It is like this. So f of x equal to 3 when x is less than 1. F of x equal to 2 when x lies between 1 and 2. F of x equal to x for x greater than 2. So the graph changes like this. He asked f of, what is that he asked? Minus 2 times f of x. So f of x equal to 3, look at this. Here he gave f of x equal to 3. Minus 2 f of x means what? So minus 2 times f of x equal to minus 6 when x is less than 1. And this is equal to minus 4 when x is lying between 1 and 2. Like that. That is equal to minus 2x when x is greater than 2. So this is what is the sketch we need to do. You'll get it like this. You'll get it like this. You see minus 6 here, minus 6 here, minus 4 here, okay, and minus 2x means negative. So it will move down. Okay, so this is the graph. Please note it fast, quick. So let's move to the next question. So f of x is shown in the figure. Draw f of x minus 2 and f of x minus 2. See, f of x minus 2 means you push down the equation by 2 units. Down by 2 units means this is 0, like this. The curve should be like this. Okay. This is f of x minus 2. And f of x plus minus 2 means x is 2. Push it to the right 2 units. Okay. Like that. So the curve goes like this. Okay. So look at this. It is pushed down by 2 units everywhere. So this is pushed to the right. F of x minus 2 is pushed to the right by 2 units. So the graph looks like this. So this is f of x minus 2. And this is f of x minus 2. Means x is pushed to the right by 2 units. Like that means this is 1 comma 0. Like that. Okay. This is what the system goes on. As we have discussed before, these are the ways we work. Okay. Let us go to the next question. F of x is shown in the figure. 2 times f of x means you should, if this is 0 comma 0, when I take 2 times f of x means that will be 0 only. This will be 0. When x is 0, y is 0. But when x is something, minus 0.5 maybe, x is 1. So half means it is 1. 2 times f of x means the same value of x as 0.5, 2f of x becomes 2. So it goes up to this point. Second one. F of 2x means x should be divided by 2. So this becomes 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 here somewhere, minus 1 by 4. So the function becomes 1 like that. So this is how the process goes on. So if you look at the graphs, they'll be like this. Please note these graphs quick. When f of x by 2 means that should broaden, move away from y-axis. That is what I told. When it is 2x, it will be near to y-axis than f of x. If it is 2 times f of x, simply functional values are changed like this. Okay. Vertical part of it changes. Whereas 2x means the curve comes closer to y-axis. 3x means further close to y-axis like this. That is what things go on. X by 2 means the curve moves away from y-axis like this. Quick. So let us go to the next question. F of x is shown in the figure. Draw minus f of x and f of minus x. Same children. Minus f of x means negative, reciprocal of f of x. F of minus x means simply replace x by minus x. So the curve's direction changes at the same points. Okay. So therefore, you are given all the 3 functions on the graph here. Please look at them and note them. Okay, let's go to the next question. See, this is the data below describes the average height of the tomato plants over time in days. So number of days, organic fertilizer, and inorganic fertilizer. Some plants were given organic fertilizers and others were given uh, non-organic fertilizers. So whenever it is inorganic or non-organic fertilizers, the height is more, you see. Height is more than when given organic fertilizers for a date comparative date. So what is it he's asking? So for which of the following statements are false? G of 8 minus f of 8 is f of 6. G of 8 minus f of 8. What is G of 8? G of 8 is 10. F of 8 is 6. G of 8 minus f of 8 equal to 4, which is also equal to f of 6. So now see what is that he gave. Yes, option 1 is true. Next, G of f of 10. G of f of 10 is f of 10. F of 10 is 8. G of f of 10. G of f of 10 means it is 8. G of 8 is 10. That is f of 10. Right? So now let us check what is that he says. F of 14 minus 2. F of 14 is what? F of 14 is 12 minus 2. Yes. So therefore option 2 is also right. Okay. F of G of 6. F of G of 6. So what is G of 6 is? G of 6 is 6. So f of 6 is 8. F of 6 is 4. So G of 6 is 6. f of 6. F of 6 is 4. Okay. So what is this he is asking about? G of 14 by G of 6. G of 14 is how much? 16 by f of 6 is 6. G of 14 by f of 6. That is not equal to 16 by 4. Yes, it is equal to 16 by 4. So therefore option 3 is also right. Therefore all the three. So none of these is the correct one. False, he said. So we are getting uh, f of g of 6. Let us check once again what is g of 6. G of 6 is 6. F of 6 is 4. So g of 6 is 6 uh, and f of 6 is 4. So g of 14 by g of 6. G of 14 is 16 by g of 6 is 4. It's not equal to 16 by 6. Not equal to 16 by 6. Therefore, option 3 is wrong. So now he said which one of the statement is false. So option C, only 3. Okay. This is what is the thing you get. So with this, we close your today's session, children. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you and have a great day. But please keep preparing and working and try to ensure that you get good scores. All the best.